Have you ever downloaded a file and wondered whether it's safe to run? Instead of risking your PC, Windows includes a built-in tool that lets you test unknown software in a completely isolated environment. It's called Windows Sandbox, and in this video, I'll show you what it is, how it works, and how you can use it to safely test files without affecting your computer. Before we continue, there is one important requirement. Windows Sandbox is available only on Windows 10 and Windows 11 Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. If you're using Windows Home Edition, the feature is not included. That's one reason many Windows users have never heard about it. Now let's enable Windows Sandbox. The good news is that setup takes only a few minutes. Open the Start menu and search for Turn Windows Features On or Off. Click the result to open the Windows Features window. Scroll down through the list until you find Windows Sandbox. Check the box next to it. Then click OK. Windows will install the required components. After installation is complete, restart your computer when prompted. After the restart, Windows Sandbox becomes available like any other built-in Windows tool. To launch it, open the Start menu and search for Windows Sandbox. Click the application to open it. Within a few seconds, a brand new Windows desktop appears inside a window. At first glance, it looks like a normal Windows installation. But remember, this environment is completely isolated from your actual PC. Now comes the useful part. Simply drag or copy the file you want to test into the Sandbox window. Then run it exactly as you normally would. Install the software. Open the installed program. Explore its features. See how it behaves. If everything looks good, you can confidently install it later on your real system. If something seems suspicious, simply close the Sandbox window. Everything inside it is immediately erased. No cleanup is required. No traces remain. No risk reaches your actual computer. But what if you want even more security? By default, Windows Sandbox includes Internet access. This allows you to browse websites, download files, and test online applications. You can disable Internet access completely. To do that, right-click on your desktop or inside any folder. Select New, then Text Document. Rename the file and change its extension from .txt to .wsb. Next, open the file and paste the following code. Save the file. Now double-click the .wsb file. Windows Sandbox will launch. Anything running inside the Sandbox will have no access to the Internet or your local network. This adds another layer of protection while still keeping the testing process quick and convenient. The next time a download makes you hesitate, don't take unnecessary risks. Open Windows Sandbox first. Test the file safely. And keep your PC protected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.